Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel! Starting with my baby skin pore eraser. Actually, this is my very first time to use this. Yes, it's so smooth. I think I'm starting to love this. By the way, if you are new here to my channel, feel free to subscribe, join my small YouTube family. I have new videos every week. Back to my video, I am applying my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 20 Sand. By the way, this is a no foundation makeup tutorial and I am blending it with my Real Techniques sponge. For my powder, I am using my Maybelline New York Clear Smooth All-in-One Shine Free Cake Powder in the shade Natural number 3. The brush is from EcoTools. I am using this Duo Shaper, but first, let's use this pencil. This is light brown. I really wanted to match with my hair color. Now I am using the other side, which is the powder. For the last eyebrow mascara, then spoolie from Divisoria. I'm done with my eyebrows and face makeup. Sometimes this look is already enough for me. Anyway, let's continue to eyeshadows. Let's prime it first with the Fit Me Concealer. I am just using this white color all over my lid. For my crease, I am using the lightest brown shade in this palette. Suddenly, I want a pink eyeshadow, but this is the nudes palette. So I am going to use this V-Face Blush Contour. As you can see, I'm really having a hard time. For mascara, I am using this Hyper Curl Volume Express. Second to the last for this makeup, blush on. Last part, lipstick in the shade Pop of Pink. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Wait, yung raffle nga pala natin. Raffle giveaway para sa aking 2,000 subscribers. Yung random.org na yung bahalang mamili kung sino yung mananalo para fair sa lahat. Kada list ako ng names nyo sa Excel, may specific number na kayo doon. At kung ano yung number na ma-generate ni random.org, siya na yung
mga kasali, thank you so much for joining. Oops, nakalimutan kitang i-shoutout last time. Hi, Micaela Palatad. So sorry, ninote ko pa naman dito, shoutout. So, ayun, 90 lahat ng sumali sa giveaway ko. Sali kayo ulit sa 3,000 subscribers giveaway. Congratulations! Sino yung number 10? Alt tab. Number 10. Pretty Panpan. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Pretty Panpan! Magre-recycle ako ng box, ha? Yung pinamili ko dati sa Sephora, yung ginamit na box. Yung Sephora box, dito ko ilalagay lahat ng sa giveaway ko. Don't worry, complete naman yan ulit. Kasyang-kasya eh. Para madali pag pinadala ko na. Congratulations ulit! Sa mga sumali, thank you so much for joining my 2,000 subscribers giveaway. Sali kayo ulit sa aking 3,000 subscribers giveaway so soon. Bibili pa lang ako ng kung ano yung pang-giveaway ko, kaya wala pa siya sa ngayon. Pero, feel free to join again. Same mechanics lang naman yung mangyayari sa aking 3,000 subscribers giveaway. Number 1, subscribe. Number 2, follow my Instagram. Number 3, like my Facebook page. Kaya kung nagawa mo na naman lahat ng yon, mag-comment ka na lang sa susunod na sasali ka ulit. Bye!